Hello everyone and welcome to our channel where we explore the world's most amazing destinations. Today, we're excited to take you on a tour of one of the world's most captivating cities, Rome. Rome is a city that truly has it all, including its rich in history, culture, and traditions, and is home to some of the world's most famous landmarks. Whether you're a history buff, food lover, or just looking for some adventure, Rome has something to offer everyone. Today, we're going to share with you 10 unforgettable things to do in Rome that will make your trip truly special. Number 1. Visit the Colosseum. The Colosseum is Rome's most iconic landmark and is a must-visit attraction. This amphitheater was built in the 1st century AD and was the site of many gladiator fights and other public spectacles. Today, it's a symbol of the ancient Roman world and a testament to the ingenuity and craftsmanship of the ancient Roman engineers who designed and built it. You can explore the Colosseum on your own or take a guided tour to learn more about its history and significance. Number 2. Take a stroll in the Villa Borghese Gardens. If you're looking for a peaceful escape from the hustle and bustle of the city, head to the Villa Borghese Gardens. This beautiful oasis in the heart of Rome is a favorite spot among locals and tourists alike. The gardens are home to a museum, several fountains, and many walking trails. You can rent a bike, take a picnic, or just relax and enjoy the stunning views of the city from the top of the hill. Number 3. Visit the Vatican Museums and St. Peter's Basilica. No trip to Rome is complete without a visit to the Vatican Museums and St. Peter's Basilica. The Vatican Museums house one of the world's most extensive collections of art and artifacts, including the famous Sistine Chapel. The chapel is a masterpiece of Renaissance art and is a must-see for anyone interested in art and architecture. St. Peter's Basilica is the largest church in the world and is located in Vatican City. The basilica is a stunning example of Renaissance architecture and is a place of worship for Catholics around the world. Number 4. Explore the Pantheon. The Pantheon is a Roman temple that was built in the 1st century AD. It's one of the best preserved ancient buildings in Rome and is a marvel of engineering. The temple's dome is still the largest unsupported dome in the world, and it's amazing to think that it was built more than 2,000 years ago. The Pantheon is a true testament to the skill and ingenuity of the ancient Romans. Number 5. Throw a coin in the Trevi Fountain. The Trevi Fountain is one of the most famous fountains in the world and is a must-visit attraction in Rome. According to legend, throwing a coin over your shoulder into the fountain will ensure your return to Rome. The fountain is also a beautiful example of Baroque architecture and is a popular spot for taking photos. Number 6. Visit the Roman Forum. The Roman Forum was the center of political and social activity in ancient Rome. Today, you can explore the ruins of temples, government buildings, and public spaces that date back to the Roman Empire. The Forum is a fascinating place to visit, and it's a great way to get a glimpse into the daily life of the ancient Romans. Number 7. Enjoy the street food. Rome is known for its delicious street food, and it's a great way to experience the local culture. From pizza al taglio to supply, fried rice balls, and gelato, you'll never run out of tasty options to try. Head to Campo de Fiori, Testaccio, or Trastevere to sample some of the best street food in Rome. Number 8. Take a cooking class. If you're a foodie at heart, why not take a cooking class in Rome? Learn how to make classic Italian dishes like homemade pasta, pizza, and tiramisu. Cooking classes are a great way to immerse yourself in the local culture and take home some new culinary skills to impress your friends and family. Number 9. Visit the Appian Way. The Appian Way is one of the oldest and most important roads in ancient Rome. It was used to transport goods, troops, and travelers throughout the empire. Today, you can walk or bike along the Appian Way and visit some of the historic landmarks, such as the catacombs of San Callisto and San Sebastiano. The Appian Way is a great way to get off the beaten path and explore some of the lesser-known parts of Rome. Number 10. Attend a papal audience. If you're visiting Rome during the right time of year, attending a papal audience is a unique and unforgettable experience. You can watch as the Pope delivers his weekly message to the faithful in St. Peter's Square. It's a great way to witness the religious traditions and customs of the Vatican City. So there you have it, 10 unforgettable things to do in Rome. Whether you're interested in history, culture, food, or adventure, Rome has something for everyone. From visiting iconic landmarks like the Colosseum and the Pantheon to sampling delicious street food and taking a cooking class, you're sure to have an amazing time in this beautiful city. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration.